Hi, my name is Nasir Iqbal and welcome to my channel, and this video is specially designed for you, and it will help you to know that how you can edit any Elementor template with your correct data. So don't waste your time. Now start the video, and I request you to please like this video if it helps you. I have a website and I will show you that how you can edit Elementor template. So here's the Elementor template that I have to edit, and just click on edit with Elementor. So as it will open, and I will show you the how you can edit this template. It's very easy and simple. I will try to use the data from ChatGPT because it has some lower aspirant data, and I will have to replace. So as it is loading, I will find some data for the UK Business Bank account. So go here, and you have to type here like write some data for page UK Business Bank account. Write it with some headings. So it will write the data for me, and as you can see that. If you want to know that how you can use ChatGPT to make some good quality and good quality SEO friendly articles for your blog websites, you can also drop a message, so I will make a proper video for you. So I got this data, and now I'll use this data in the template here. So this is the template that it has some data already, but this data is not relevant to my page, so I will just replace it. What I have to do? So as you can see that it's showing that it's header, and this is the section that I have to edit, and here is the column, and here is the element. I have to edit the element only, so I have to put a simple heading like why. I'll use this one. UK Business Bank account, your gateway to financial success. Like I'll use this as my heading. So I have to put it here. Then I will take this as my description. So you can see that is simple heading, and the description is updated. Now I have to add some data here because this is the dummy data. So this is the first one. I have to put it, like you can see here is the title. I have to put it here, and this is the description for the title. You can try to read this, but it's unable to read. So now I change the data with the correct one, and that is more related to this topic. So I place it. The reason to change the data is like when we deliver a website to a customer, and if the website is with some related data that it wants, it it gives a good impression. So that is the reason we have to change the data for now. And you can see that it's quite simple and easy, uh, not a difficult thing. You just watch this tutorial and you will be able to edit any data in the Elementor template. So if you have any problem, any question, you can also drop a message to know more about this. And, I will definitely reply your comments if you have. So this is the, I think so this is the last one. Uh, okay, so just most of the headings they have sensible words, but sometimes it happens that the theme have the content like lorem asperum, and that content not looks good. So that is the reason to change. So now it's done for this page, and I will show you that how it looks now. You can see that this page is about some of the financial other bank accounts, and now its data is more related to that particular project title, like yeah, it's fine now. And this video, and I'll make some other tutorial that will help you in your database issues and problems.